Good morning to one and all. Myself Jayashree and my friend K. Amala. We are here to present our project entitled Computing Multidimensional Trust by Mining E-commerce Feedback Comments. Abstract. Nowadays we all buy purchase products in online only. How we will select the trustworthy sellers and best product through the comments and feedbacks of the other customers only. Nowadays reputation scores are high for all the sellers, so it is very difficult for us to find the trustworthy sellers. To avoid this, to overcome this, we are going to develop an app. Literature survey, product aspect ranking and its application. In this paper, it won't evaluate whole the reviews, recommender systems with social regularization. In this paper, it is just aiming to provide a general method for improving recommender systems. Recommender systems with survey state of art and possible extensions. This paper is very costly to annotate sentiment classifier. Phrase dependency parsing for opinion mining. In this paper, it presents a novel approach for the mining opinions. Existing system. In existing system, they use pattern in a sentiment classifier. Like if we give the comments, if the word is present in that pattern, it will give according to that pattern, whether positive, negative, or neutral. So that mostly 90% we can see the positive opinions only. It is very difficult for us to select the trustworthy sellers based on the review. Disadvantage. By applying this in other domains, it will result in inaccuracy. To each domain, it is very costly to apply sentiment classifier. By applying patterns, it will not give the ratings properly and correctly. System architecture. The consumer will give you the reviews. First, the aspects are identified. If we give the mobile means, if we select the product as mobile and giving the consumer, reviews means, it will identify the aspects first. Then the sentiment classification based on the reviews also. Using both only the ratings are generated. In proposed system, the world range a real world application by using we are developing an app using wordnet concept in product aspect ranking, so we can evaluate the ratings truly only based on the reviews. Through this, we can separately generate the positive, negative, and neutral reviews. Advantages are it can be used in more domains. It will correctly justify the reviews, automatically identify the important aspects, and significant performance improvements are obtained. System architecture of the proposed system. This is an evaluate database means if we give the reviews, it will be stored in the database. Stop word removal means it will remove all the punctuations. In stemming, it will remove all the is, was, like verbs and all. In part speech tagging means it will give the speech of the sentence. In opinion word extraction, it will extract the opinion words alone, and then it will separate the dependent word and independent word. Classification of polarity means it will break the words like eng and ed were separated. Clustering sentiment analysis means in this all the words, the separated words were rejoined, then the positive negative ratings were separately given and the overall ratings were generated. Modules. We have 6 modules: registration, login, admin, product management system, review, command management system, and aspect ranking. In registration, if we are the new user, we have to register with our details initially. In login module, once we registered, we can log in into it directly by using our id and password. In admin module, it will manage all the details of the users. In product management system, we can add the product, or we can add any domain. In review command management system, we can give the reviews for a particular product. Opinion word feature mining means in this first one is the formation of unigram and bigram. Unigram means it will identify the meaning for a single word, and bigram means it will join the words and it identify the meaning. Classification of opinion word means from that passage, or from that review, it will classify the opinion words alone. Then in polarity classification of a word means, as I said, it will break the words and see the meaning. Orientation identification of the sentence means on which aspect we are saying about in that review, it will identify. Then clustering opinion word means after that it will again join all the words. Aspect ranking is our concept. In that we have three components: aspect identification, sentiment classification on aspects, probabilistic aspect ranking. Algorithms document level classification means it will not analysis the single word or a particular words. It will analysis the whole document, the reviews which we are giving, that is given under the document level classification. Extractive review summarization means it will correctly give the meaning for the main words and important words. Cluster algorithm means after breaking the sentence or reviews, then analyzing, after that it will cluster again into a single. These are the codings. The first these were our screenshots, output screenshots. First is a register page. If we are a new user, we have to register it with our first name, last name, email id, username, password. Then if we register, then we can log in directly using our username and password. This is our menu. First, add domain and products. If we click the add domain and products, we can add any domains in this, like mobile, electronics, accessories, like this. Then if we want to add any product in that domain, means we can add, like in mobile we can add Nokia Lumia 730. Next menu is add review. If we want to add review for any product, means first we need to select the item, like domain, then item, then title for that review, then we can give the reviews like this: mobile Nokia Lumia 730. Title is Lumia is bad. Review is its working process is slow. Then again the third menu is review result. After we giving the reviews, we can able to see the result like this. First we have to select the domain, then we have to select the product. This is the overall rating for that product, overall document result. This is a polarity means it will overall it will give whether it is a positive product or a negative product according to the based on the consumer reviews. These were the overall reviews already as given for that Nokia Lumia product. Like these are the keywords: damage, style, data, accessing, timing, savings. These are the keywords. If we click any keyword, it will give the type, polarity and value for that. These were the system software requirements and hardware requirements. We are used the operating system Windows 8.1 OS. Coding language is ASP.NET C Sharp 3.5. Front end tool is .NET and backend is SQL Server. Hard disk is 40 GB. RAM is 2 GB. Thank you.